Welcome to our channel. I'm going to use our other tool to release that section of the clip, and the plug is already off, so the seat can be now get out of the vehicle. The same sequence goes to the passenger side, and then when I have the opportunity, I'm going to put the tripod so you can see how I do the rear part. At this point, you're going to have your seat all the way up. All your seatings are going to go up. You're going to align the backrest in a way that is more or less like in a little angle. And you also want to center the track so that little tab over there doesn't stick too much out. Very important. If it was a manual seat, it will be irrelevant because it's power seat. If you don't get it in the right setting, then you're going to have issues when you start to work in the upholstery side. Now that the 4 bolts are out, you can bend it over, and we're going to be using a tool to remove that little section over there. And this one right here is already hanging. So it's just a clip in the other side. They have to pry or release this plug. So the 4 bolts are going to be 13s. And we're going to be using this tool to pry the cover over there. And that's one. It has 2 in the front, 2 in the back. So I'm going to be using my impact with the 13 to get this off, then the back ones, and I'll show you the plug in the next section. Okay, and for the rear seat, you're going to need 13, 13, 13 right there, 13 over there. You're going to have 115 in the center, about there, and you're going to have an 18. You're going to have one for the seat belt, about this area over here, one in the very edge over here, about this much, and 2 more over there, or 1, I don't remember. I'll show you in a minute, so you can release the seat. And obviously we talk about the ones for the seat belt, 1 in each side. So I'm gonna proceed, and I'm gonna see if I can get the camera to see the back bolts. Actually, they're down there. There is one right here, out of focus for this angle. You have one over there. You can see them there. There's 2 of them right there. Let's see. Yeah, a little bit better. And those are the 18s. To release this seat, you're gonna have to fold it slightly like that, and it has a little hook down there. It has to be done in this position so you can release the lean back and move it forward. The little one over there, it has his own pulling, so you can fold it. This one, you have to reach behind and find that little hook, lift them up so you can release this section. Okay, at this point, I have removed the 13s on the bottom and the seat belts. Now, I want you to see these are one of the 18s. Second 18, you need to remove sometimes the jack that is over there. But the one that you don't see is one that is down there, which is a 15. It's just in front of this, there is a 15. You need to use an extension to release it. It's just right there in front of this one. Just I cannot get the camera all the way down there. So once you have that one off, this small seat can go off. And I want to show you, let me see if I can fold this one right now so you can see the hook. Oops. And it's already been folded down. And all I did for this seat, it was pull this little section right here. You just pull it and it releases the latch. That's how you fold this seat. So you can access the bolts in the back and remove the rear seat.